This is a 1989 Land Rover Defender 110. It is the diesel 300 TDI, fully mechanical fuel pump, 5-speed. It's a right-hand drive from England, fully restored. It's got the snorkel. It's got a roof rack with some, I don't know what the lumens are, but they're like super bright. Let me turn the lights on. Mileage is 46,290 right now. LEDs all the way around on the lights and the indicators. It's got a Warn winch up front. It's got giant fog lights up front. Like I said, it's a diesel. Wheels and tires are in good shape. Inside, doors are upgraded to automatic windows in the front, and in the rear it's got roll, manual. All leather interior. New gauges. It's got a satellite, a navigation, upgraded sound system, speakers all the way around, speakers down here. We've got a Land Rover AC, blows nice and cold, 5-speed like I said. You got your differential lock, low and high and neutral. Got a hookup for a CB radio if you want to add one. Get your gauges up here. All the gauges work. Clock works. All the switches work. You can see it's got a nice suede, what you would call it, the roof lining. Got a giant LED light interior. Let me figure out which one it is. There we go. Lights up the entire interior. Bunch of toggle switches for all the different lights. And that's pretty much it. Everything works. It's in great condition. Let me show you the back seats. Plenty of leg room. I've got the upgraded mats. Let me show you in the back. I think the back is locked. Yeah, hold on. Let me get the key. Key works everywhere. Got your spare tire. Got a trunk. Bin. You can store your valuables in it. And these are also the seats if you want to put the seats in. And that's pretty much it. Everything works, everything's in great shape. Everything locks. Turn the lights off. All right, any questions, just send me a message.